Dear student, today we are in our new point which is equivalent weight. Equivalent weight. How to define equivalent weight? For getting equivalent weight, we have to derive first molecular weight, then divide by acidity, yes, basicity or valency. Acid has a basicity, yes, and base has acidity, and salt or iron has its valency. So, first of all, we are going to acid, which gives H plus ions into water, and that H plus ions combines with OH minus ion of the water. That number of H plus ions is called basicity. Basicity, yes sir. So HCl, acid में basicity હોય છે. HCl when we dissolves into water, it gives H plus NCl minus ion. So it gives one H plus ion. In water, OH minus is present, H plus OH both. So one H plus occurred ion combines with one OH minus ion. So here basicity is a 1. Understood? So here equivalent weight will be molecular weight upon basicity. So molecular mass of HCl, 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. Hydrogen has mass 1, chlorine has 35.5. So 1 plus 35.5, 36.5. 36.5 divided by 1. So actually unit of molecular mass is gram per mole. Here 36.5 gram per equivalent weight. Yes, this is unit of equivalent weight. Yes, gram equivalent also. Gram per equivalent. So આપણે યાદ રાખવાનું HCl છે એમાંથી એક H પ્લસ પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય. એ કેટલા OH સાથે કમ્બાઇનિંગ છે 1. So basicity is 1. એટલે એસિડ ને basicity હોય છે. Now sulfuric acid, this is HCl, basicity 1. For sulfuric acid into water gives 2H plus ion and 1 sulfate. Here basicity 2. Why? 2H plus ion combining with 2OH minus ion. And structure of sulfuric acid, we have to remember, is like this: H2SO4. હવે એક યાદ રાખજો, whenever hydrogen is combined with oxygen, in the acid hydrogen should be combined with oxygen, so easily produces H plus ion. અહીંયા બે હાઇડ્રોજન બે ઓક્સિજન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે. So here equivalent weight of sulfuric acid here, molecular mass upon basicity. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid here 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. So 2 plus 32 plus 64, 98. Divide by 2. So gram per equivalent is unit. Gram per equivalent is unit. 49. The equivalent mass of sulfuric acid is 49. For HCl remains same. What about H3PO for phosphoric acid? When we dissolve phosphoric acid into water, there is 3 OH group. All the 3 hydrogen is combined with the oxygen, so easily releases. So it gives 3H plus ion and 1 phosphate ion into water, and that H plus ion is combining with 3 OH minus ion. So here basicity is 3. So molecular mass of phosphoric acid is 98. So equivalent weight of phosphoric acid 98 divided by 3. (32.66). Equivalent. Here 3 hydrogen. So 3, 1 phosphorus 31, 4 oxygen 64. So mass, molecular mass 98. Same of sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Now what about H3PO2? Now H3PO3. H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. H3PO2 is phosphorus acid. Here 3 hydrogen. When we dissolve into water, so structure of H3PO2 is like this. You can see here number of hydrogen are 3, but 1 hydrogen is connected directly with the phosphorus, not with the oxygen. Only 2 hydrogen is connected with the oxygen. So it releases only 2H plus ion, and remaining part HPO3 minus 2. H3PO2, yes, like this. H3PO2, H3PO3, sorry. So after releasing 2H plus, જે હાઇડ્રોજન ઓક્સિજન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ નથી ને, રિલીઝ નહીં થાય. એટલે સ્ટ્રક્ચર યાદ રાખવું પડે. We have to remember structure of H3PO3. It combining with 2 OH minus ion. So basicity is 2 here. What about H3PO2? Hypophosphorus acid. It gives only 1 plus H ion into water because of phosphorus is combining with only 1 oxygen. Here 2 hydrogen is not connected directly with the hydrogen एक oxygen સાથે connected છે, which produces H plus ion. So here a 1H plus combines with 1 OH basicity 1. So here equivalent weight of H3PO2 equal to molecular weight upon basicity. So molecular weight divided by 1. Yes, here it will be 1. Like this we can derive some. These are the acids. Now what about acidness and basicity? We discussed, but base has acidity. Base has acidity. Acid gives now base gives OH minus ion into water, and that occurred OH minus ion combines with H plus ion of the water, so that number of H plus ion is called acidity. So base has acidity. Now listen, suppose we are taking sodium hydroxide. When we dissolve into water, it gives Na plus NOH minus. So NaOH gives 1 OH minus. It combining with 1 H plus of the water. So acidity is 1 here. So here equivalent weight of NaOH will be molecular weight upon its acidity. So molecular weight mass of NaOH is 40 divided by 1. Why? Acidity is 1. So 40 gram per equivalent. Now potassium hydroxide in the water gives K plus OH minus. So 1 OH minus combining with 1 H plus ion. So here acidity is 1. Now what about barium hydroxide into water? Gives barium plus 2 and 2 OH minus ion. It combining with 2H plus ion. So here basicity 2. What about magnesium hydroxide? It gives 1 magnesium 2OH. So here acidity 2. What about aluminium hydroxide? Aluminium plus 3. Why? Compound should be neutral by charge. Charge of 1 OH is minus 1. So here is 3. So getting neutral charge here will be plus 3. On the basis of it, we are deciding plus 3 charge on it. 3 OH minus occurred, which combines with 3H plus ion. The 3 OH છે 3H plus ion જોડાય. So basicity, acidity, base acidity 3. Now what about valency? Salt, acid માટે basicity, base માટે acidity. But for salt we have to take a valency. For salt we are taking valency. yes, charge, total charge of a positive ion or negative ion is called valency. We are taking NaCl, which is salt. It has a +1 and -1. Yes, because compound always neutral by charge. Compound always neutral by charge. So +1 -1 cut by each other. Total charge of positive is +1. Here -1. Plus or minus is not doesn't matter. Only 1. So here valence is 1. So equivalent weight of NaCl equal to molecular mass of NaCl divided by valency. So molecular mass of NaCl is 58.5 divided by 1. So here equivalent mass also 58.5 gram per mole. When we take MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, which is also salt, so magnesium having +2 charge, sulfate having -2. Here total charge is 2. Total charge is 2. બે નહીં, બેમાંથી એક લેવાનું. So equivalent weight of MgSO4 equal to molecular weight of MgSO4 divided by 2. 2 અને 2 બે નહીં, કાં પોઝિટિવનો ટોટલ ચાર્જ અને કાં નેગેટિવનો ટોટલ ચાર્જ લેવાનો. So it gives a equivalent weight. Now for aluminium chloride, 1 aluminium and 3 chloride. So total positive charge is 3 and total negative also be same as well. Whenever compound you to the total positive charge, total negative same. બેમાંથી એક લઈ લેવાનું. So molecular weight divided by 3 gives the equivalent weight of AlCl3. Now sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, it gives 2 Na plus ion and 1 carbonate ion. Here total charge is +2 and total negative charge is also 2. Plus or minus change, we have to neglect 2 or 2. So here equivalent weight will be molecular weight divided by 2, not 4. का positive charge का negative બે same જ હોય, બેમાંથી એક વડે divide કરવાનું. What about calcium phosphate? Yes. Calcium having charge +2, but number of calcium 3. Phosphate having charge -3, number of phosphate 2. 1 calcium having +2, so 3 having +6. 1 phosphate having -3, so 2 having -6, both are same. So we have to take 6. So here equivalent weight will be molecular weight divided by 6. It gives equivalent weight of calcium phosphate. Now sometimes iron gives, suppose iron is given, equivalent weight of Na plus ion. So equivalent weight equal to molecular mass of sodium divided by valency. Here valency is 1. 23 divided by 1. 23 gram per equivalent. Now what about magnesium? So equivalent weight of magnesium will be molecular mass of magnesium 24 divided by 2. So 12 gram per equivalent is the equivalent weight. Now equivalent weight of aluminium ion. So aluminium having atomic mass 27, valency is 3, so 9 gram per equivalent. Yes. Now use of equivalent mass we are using in finding normality. Yes. New term. New representation of concentration is normality. Normality equal to mass of a solute in gram upon equivalent mass of solute. Equivalent weight of a solute into volume of solution in liter. Sometimes here mass of solute in gram divided by equivalent weight of solute and volume of a solution in milliliter, then here should be 1000. For finding normality, which is compulsory to find the equivalent weight. Understood? What is normality actually? Yes. 1 gram equivalent mass means not 1 gram. The 1 equivalent no mass gram. 1 gram equivalent એટલે 1 gram नहीं. 1 equivalent no mass in gram. 1 equivalent mass of solute dissolved into 1 liter, which is called 1 normal solution. Actually, sodium hydroxide having molecular mass 40, 23 plus 16 plus 1, so 40. 40 gram NaOH when we dissolve into 1 liter solution. So normality is 1. If 40 into 2 means 80 gram. Molecular mass is 40 divided by 1 and acidity 1 છે ને, so equivalent mass 40 થાય. હવે double લઈ 80 gram means 2 equivalent mass. 2 equivalent mass solute dissolved in 1 liter, so normality will be 2. If 3 into 40 means 120 gram NaOH is dissolved into 1 liter, so it gives a 3 normal solution. Normality is 3 there. Understood? 0.5 equivalent is dissolved, so normality will be 0.5. Understood? like this, we can define yes. Here tell me formula of the normality in salt, mass of solute W2 into 1000 upon E2. E2 means equivalent weight of solute and volume of solution in milliliter. E2 means equivalent mass of solute. W2 means mass of solute. So find out normality of 98 gram sulfuric acid in the 500 milli solution. 98 gram sulfuric acid is dissolved into 500 milli solution. We have to define normality. Before getting normality, molecular molar mass. Two hydrogen, one sulfur, 4 oxygen. Here hydrogen is 1, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, 2 plus 32 plus 64, so 98 gram per mole. So normality equal to mass of solute into 1000 upon equivalent mass. Here equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, molecular weight upon its basicity, 98 by 2. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 2, so 49 gram per equivalent. Then volume in milliliter. So mass of solute 98 gram sulfuric acid dissolved. Here 1000. Here 49 and 500 milli. 500 to the 1000. 49 to the 98. So 2 to the 4. Our normality of this solution is 4. Yes, here normality of sulfuric acid is 4. Normality concentration depends upon temperature. Why? In the formula there is volume. So volume always changes with changing in temperature. Now find out 80 gram NaOH is dissolved into 800 milli solution. Find normality of eta. First of all, molecular mass of NaOH, 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, 23, 16 and 1. So 40 gram per mole. Here molecular mass is now equivalent mass E2. Molecular mass NaOH is base upon acidity. So acidity of NaOH is 1. 40 by 1, 40 gram per equivalent. Sometimes molecular mass and equivalent mass became same whenever acidity, basicity, valency is 1. So both will be equal. So here normality 1000 mass of solute upon equivalent mass and volume in milliliter. So 1000 into mass of solute is 80. Equivalent mass 40 and volume of solution 800. Here 10. Cut 10 by 4. So 2.5 normal occurs. Understood? Normality is 2.5 of the solution. And it is symbolized capital N. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.